Dandenong Ranges Nature Hikes and Bushwalks, an episode of series, The Top 10 Day Trips from Melbourne. The Dandenong Ranges are a set of mountain ranges east of the city. It's an excellent spot for hiking, cycling, or bushwalks. Among the hiking trail options are Mathias Track, 4 miles round trip, Bartletts Track, Blackhole Loop, 3.7 miles round trip, and Burkes Lookout Mount Dandenong, under 1 mile round trip. The Kokoda Track Memorial, 1,000 steps, is a popular trail known for its challenging stairs to the top of a hill. It's set in a wet and cool rainforest environment and offers a peaceful escape from the big city. Getting there, from the city, it's a 45-minute drive along M1 toward Ferntree Gully Road. By train, hop on the Belgrave train from Flinders Street Station. Get off at Upper Ferntree Gully Station, and the carpark is just down the road. Travel tip: the Dandenong Ranges gets super busy with tourists and locals on the weekend. Skip the crowds and visit during a weekday or get there early.